Welcome back to Byte Sized Future, the channel where we break down complex tech and investing ideas into bite-sized insights you can actually use. Today, we're diving into 10 AI tools that claim to spot undervalued stocks, but instead of just rattling off names, I'm going to walk you through them using a powerful checklist. By the end, you'll know which ones fit your style, your budget, and your market. Stick around, because the difference between the right tool and the wrong one could be the difference between catching a hidden gem or getting stuck with a value trap. Let's start with Value Gap. This tool leans heavily on simulations and AI modeling, focusing on discounted cash flow and intrinsic value calculations. In terms of data coverage, it's geared mostly towards US and developed markets, so regional fit is limited. The valuation methods are transparent enough for long-term investors, but the real power is in its screening capability, letting you see the gap between current and fair value. If you like visual reports and clear reasoning, this tool hooks you in. The downside is subscription cost, but if you're a fundamentals-first investor, it delivers. Undervaluable.com, on the other hand, is built for flexibility. Its strongest feature is screening power. You can run pre-built value engines or customize your own. Think of it as building your personal filter for undervalued opportunities. It covers a wide global dataset but doesn't dive as deep into African markets yet. Transparency is good. They show you why a stock is flagged, and you can set alerts, so you don't miss opportunities. Cost is mid-tier, but the ability to build your own valuation recipes is what keeps investors hooked. Bullseye AI is all about speed. It generates quick valuation reports with target prices and ratings. For traders or investors who want real-time or near real-time insights, this tool stands out. Data coverage is mainly US-centric, but the big hook here is accessibility. It explains its calls in plain English. Screening power is weaker than others, but its cost is relatively low, making it a good on-ramp for beginners. iWeaver AI brings a different flavor. Here, transparency is king. You enter a ticker, and it shows you a valuation breakdown with cash flow models, peer comps, and risk. It's like having an analyst's toolkit at your fingertips. Data coverage is broad, though Africa is limited. Visualization is strong, clean, professional reports that you can easily share or study. For cost, it sits mid-range, but the reporting quality justifies it. Algo Screeners leans more towards traders who want automation. It excels in alerts, risk management, and real-time screening. You can filter undervalued stocks based on fundamentals while layering in technical triggers. This is a hybrid tool. Long-term investors might find it noisy, but if you like combining valuation with momentum, it's powerful. The hook here is automation. You don't need to babysit your watch list. The next is Stock Rover. This platform is a veteran in the AI and stock screening space, and YouTube creators love it for one reason: control. You can build custom screeners, compare intrinsic value models, and benchmark against peers. The hook here is its data coverage. It spans thousands of US and global equities, and YouTubers consistently point out how easy it is to set up filters like undervalued dividend stocks under $20. Cost is moderate, but the sheer flexibility and transparency make it a fan favorite. Next up is Simply Wall Street. If you've ever seen those colorful snowflake charts on YouTube, you've already met it. Reviewers love how it turns complex valuations into visuals anyone can understand. It leans heavily on fundamentals and discounted cash flow, making it a great fit for long-term investors. The mini-hook here is accessibility. You don't need to be a CFA to see why a stock looks cheap or expensive. The downside? It's subscription-based, but YouTube reviewers say the clarity is worth the price. Next up, we have Finbox. This one shows up often in YouTube tutorials about building watch lists of undervalued stocks. Its power is in valuation models, DCF, multiples, and custom formulas that give you raw numbers. For serious investors who like data-driven reports, this tool is gold. The hook is its exportability. YouTubers often highlight how you can send data straight to Excel or Google Sheets and start tinkering. It's mid-tier on pricing, but credibility is high. It's often compared to institutional platforms. Next on the list is Caveout. This AI tool gets YouTube attention for its unique chi-score, an AI-driven ranking that combines fundamentals, momentum, and sentiment. Think of it as a shortcut to finding stocks with hidden upside. The hook here is speed. It surfaces potential winners fast, and YouTube creators often showcase backtests to prove it works. The trade-off is transparency. It feels like a black box, but if you trust AI-driven signals, it's a powerful tool. Finally, there's AlphaSense. While not a screener in the traditional sense, YouTube creators love it for research depth. It's an AI-powered search engine for filings, transcripts, and market commentary. The hook is that it lets you uncover hidden insights, things analysts are whispering about that haven't hit mainstream media yet. For undervaluation, that qualitative edge is priceless. It's more expensive than the rest, but YouTubers covering professional investing swear by its depth. So, which one should you pick? If you love building and tweaking, Stock Rover and Finbox shine. If visuals and simplicity matter, Simply Wall ST is your best bet. If you want AI predictions, Caveout is your playground. And if you want the deepest research, AlphaSense is unmatched. That's our deep dive into 5 real AI tools for spotting undervalued stocks, each one tested and talked about by real investors on YouTube. Remember, the tool can guide you, but the strategy is yours. If this helped you, make sure to stay with Byte Sized Future, where we simplify tech and investing so you can take action, not just watch from the sidelines. Don't just watch the future happen, own a piece of it.